Happy February, superstars. It's Magi Helena. Here's the astrological forecast for February 2021, including Valentine's Day in all 6 astrology dimensions. As one of only 2 certified Magi astrologers at the highest level, and as the inventor of one-of-a-kind, instant, and affordable astrology tools, I've now helped tens of thousands of people in the U.S. and around the world to achieve their dreams of love and success. Please subscribe here on YouTube and then click that notification bell on the right so you'll know as soon as new astrology videos drop. We've got several runs of good days coming in February. Remember that general cycles impact everyone, but your most powerful influences at any time are your personal cycles, so always check those too. February opens with a pair of worst days. Sun in symmetrical Zodiac 7 geometry in Geo with Sedna and a disgusting Saturn midpoint can create a selfish and unfeeling vibe. This is amped up by Helio geometry, including Earth, Xanthus, and the Infamy and Blunder Saturn midpoints. These are days to seriously walk on eggshells to avoid interpersonal faux pas, and these are also days to forgive other people their missteps. Worst day run number 2 includes days which are no fun, just no fun, like all the joy and play was drained out. Saturn and his flying monkey midpoints are all over this run of days, including peaking Saturn parallel Earth in the Helio latitudes. Unfortunately, Valentine's Day falls into these days. Please don't meet anyone new or start anything important on these days. Please don't get engaged, get married, or make love for the first time either. If you want the best odds for your relationship, make sure every relationship milestone happens on a good astrological day. Don't put importance on greeting card days. They can't help you, whereas best days can. Be patient and focus on the long game. Worst day run number 3 for February are heartbreak days. Anything you start under heartbreak stars, whether for love, friendship, career, health, beauty, whatever, can all too easily end in heartbreak. When you start something on a heartbreak day, heartbreak just becomes part of the story from the get-go. Please don't start anything during this time. The last run of worst days in February is another Saturn sleepover, and these days would set up many challenging progressions for anything started during these days. Wait these days out too, please. February's first run of best days in the second week has symmetrical financial geometry in Helio 12 and Helio 7, making these potentially good days for career, business, and/or making major purchases, if and only if your personal stars are also very good. More geometry, this time including love and money, Queens, Venus, and Chiron, add to the powerfully helpful nature of these days. The run of best days at month end offers more love and money help, with Sun contra-parallel Venus and Sedna, and receiving supportive progressions from the Jupiter, Chiron, Cinderella, and Golden midpoint. In Helio 12, Earth is enhanced by both Jupiter and some happy Jupiter midpoint friends. In Helio Zodiac 7, Earth forms a wedge with Chiron and Sedna. These are helpful days to start something if your personal stars are also excellent. To see the specific best and worst days for love and for money, please click on the link below. Timing is everything. You really can use the stars to improve your odds of love and success as long as you always factor in your own personal cycles too. DIY info on that and a coupon are below. Click Show More. If you liked this video, please click like. Thank you. If not, click dislike. If there's someone you know that should see this video, please share it with them. Remember, subscribe on YouTube for more astrology videos. And please visit me on MagiHelena.com for info on your personal best and worst timing, how to understand your relationships, and more. Get there now. Text astrology to 51555. These are uncertain and very tough times. Hang in there. Be proactive with your self-care and do what you can to maintain an island of peace within you, regardless of what's going on outside. Be well, stay safe, be kind. I wish you a fabulous February.